Today I'm going to share with you how to make your own DIY Play-Doh using simple ingredients that you can find in your kitchen. This could be a great activity for kids, especially during quarantine. You'll need 1 cup of flour, half a cup of salt, half a cup of room temperature water, and 1 teaspoon of any cooking oil. Gradually mix it together. Now if the ingredients get too dried, add a little more water. If the mixture gets too sticky, add a bit more flour. Knead the dough with your hand until it feels like Play-Doh. If you want to add color to it, just break it down into small pieces and add a few drops of food coloring. If you don't want to get your hands messy, you may want to wear disposable gloves or wash your hands between mixing colors. Knead the dough with food coloring until you see the color you want. And that's it, ready to play. For information, the dough may expire after a certain period of time, so I wouldn't keep it more than a week of making it. Don't eat it, just play with it and have fun. Enjoy playing with your DIY Play-Doh, and if you want more videos like this, subscribe and hit the thumbs up button for more videos. Bye!